Hey guys, it's not very good light here. I may have to do another one later. So if you can brighten up your computer screen at home, might do that. I'll see if I can do another one later on tonight. Today we're talking about plotting numbers on a number line. Okay, so this is kind of what we're working on now in math. So rational numbers, it's a number that can be written as a fraction. So those are terminating, repeating, or whole numbers, or their opposites. Okay, so integers. Integers are whole numbers, their opposites in zero. These definitions are in the back of your book, so it might be a little bit different in the back of the book than these are, but it's still relatively the same meaning. Okay, so today we're going to talk about plotting numbers on the number lines and their opposites. Okay, so we're going to kind of start down here. Some of us have the notion that zero kind of has to be in the middle of the number line. Don't get that point. Sometimes zero is not even on the number line at all. It depends on what numbers we're plotting. Okay, so one thing we need to know is like when you plot these numbers like -1, -2, -3, you want to have kind of equal spacing. If you're skipping by 1, you want to have equal spacing. If you're skipping by 2, like 0, -2, -4, you want to have equal spacing in between some of those. Okay, so let me know if you don't understand that. I can make a video on that. Okay, so today we're going to talk about plotting the number 2, 3, and 4, and their opposites. Okay, so just for reference point, it doesn't have to be here. We're going to do 0 here, okay? And so 2, 3, and 4. So they're going to go up by 1. So I'm going to go ahead and plot by 1s here, okay? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I know I got to do their opposites. So I'm going to do by 1s over here too. 1, -2, -3, -4. I think that's my highest number. So I'm going to plot 2. So I'm going to plot 2. The opposite of 2 is on the same side, is the same distance away from 0 on the other side, which is -2. 3, I'm plotting 3 on the number line. And the opposite of 3, same thing, same distance from 0 to 3 on the other side is going to be -3. Plotting 4. And its opposite, same distance from 0. On the other side is -4. Okay, so I plotted 2, 3, 4, and then their opposites. Now this is going to be a little bit more challenging. Okay, so for a reference point, 0. Okay, so I'm got fractions here, so I'm gonna go by 1, 2, 3. That's gonna be my 1 right there. Okay, so I'm skipping by fourths here. 1, and I'm trying to do the same distance. It might not be exact, but you get the reference point. So I'm plot -1. So I'm going to plot that one. The opposite of -1 is 1. Okay, 1/2. So 1/2 is the same thing as 2/4. 1, 2. So there's 1/2 right there. Go ahead and label that 1/2. The opposite of 1/2 is -1/2. Okay. So 3/4, since this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, that's 4/4, okay? So 3/4 is going to be about right there. Go ahead and label that. The opposite of 3/4 is going to be right here, the same distance from 0 on the other side. So that's a 4. It's a poorly constructed 4, but it's 4. Okay? Alright, so for reference point, put 0 there. I went to 4 over there. I know my smallest number, or the numbers, I've got to go to the -4. So -4, opposite of -4 is +4. The opposite of -2, so plot that one. Opposite of -2 is 2. Okay, the opposite, or I'm plotting -3. The opposite of -3 is 3. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of hover back over this to see what you got, you guys, that you can see it and what I've done here. Hopefully, you can understand this. All right, let me know if you need anything else, guys. Good luck. And I'm sending some work out today that kind of correlates with this.